we're so happy kasi we couldn't believe it at first, but biglang napunta kami sa, but that's giving us a lot of time to prepare with what the men's last team showed, with 16 months of preparation, tapos ganyan kaganda yung there's so many possibilities that we're just happy now we're going to be given the opportunity to represent Philippine women's naman in the stage.
Left to right, monster block, monster block, monster block. I want to hear you out the loudest as we practice with DJ Tony Rojas.
Gusto rin namin malaman kung magkabisahan kung maaabot namin in 4 years.
I think sobrang ganda na this early pa lang, sinabihan na tayo ng kung kailan mangyayari yung World Championships for women. Kasi that's what's happening naman sa PBB calendar. It's set pretty early to give all of the teams enough time to prepare. So we can't really bank on what we've been doing the past years na few weeks lang before the tournament, yung preparation, and then kasi the past tournaments, the past years have been very kind to us in terms of results, but that's only banking on weeks, few months of preparation. This time, we're years ahead. So we have to take advantage of this, and hopefully, all of the teams, all of the clubs, all of the universities can support us behind this because the world is already seeing how good Philippines is. We have so much potential talaga, and we want to show up. We want to give our best. But we can only give our best if we're given the time to prepare.
Siguro with the men's performance, mas may inspire kami to do our best also on our part na talagang maayos lahat and hopefully everyone is on the same page for the program and the system na binibuild talaga ng Malas.
With DJ Tony.
Actually, if you listen to yung interviews ng mga top 4, top 6, top 8 teams na naglaro dito sa World Championship, even Bulgaria, even USA, all of them kept saying the same thing. They wanted to see how far or how close they are to the best teams in the world. No one ever mentioned the podium. No one ever mentioned the medal. They just wanted to show up, play their best, represent the country, take the most out of the opportunity of learning from the best teams in the world. That's what we want also. And this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity now we really want to take advantage of. So we're really banking and hoping for the support that we need para makita na natin kung hanggang saan ang Pilipinas tsaka mag-grow din talaga tayo sa country.
Gia, ngayon pa lang, grabe ng excitement para sa young four din ng Alas Women, si Shaina, si Bella, Angel. Gano'n ka lang din ka-excited na 4 years from now, mas lalo bang expected na gagalingan ang young four natin?
Yeah, we're really happy kasi they also announced a long-term 7-year program. This is something that we've been waiting for. Everyone sa volleyball community, men's, women's, beach volleyball, this is the kind of program that we've been waiting for years. And it's inspiring also for the next generation to come in right now. Now's a really good time to come into Alas and to show the world what we've got. We need the best of the best talaga. Not just the best of the best. We need people who want to work for the country, who want to learn from us also, yung team, training with, you know, even the best talents from high school, from college. Ang laking bagay talaga sa amin to invite everyone na sumali talaga sa ganitong klaseng programa ngayon.